Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and heartfelt way to craft the perfect birthday party speech using ChatGPT. If you've ever felt the pressure to make a speech memorable and meaningful, well, you're not alone. And ChatGPT can help you elevate your words with ease. By following the steps, you'll be able to bring out emotion, add interaction, and even a touch of inspiration. And as always, check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you on your journey to crafting unforgettable speeches. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off by focusing on the heart of any great birthday speech, the emotional moments. These are the memories, milestones, and small anecdotes that bring out the personality of the birthday person and make the audience feel connected. Well, ChatGPT can help us find these touch points and make the speech truly special. Okay, so here's the prompt that I crafted together. I'm going to ask ChatGPT with this one. See, can you help me brainstorm emotional moments or milestones in, let's say, my friend Joseph's life that would resonate with the audience and add depth to the speech? So, in support of that, I'll give ChatGPT data on that. Say I have a file that has these memorable moments from, let's say, my friend Joseph. Okay, once I send my prompt like this, ChatGPT can bring up a range of touching ideas. Whether it's a funny childhood memory, a big achievement, or even a shared experience that everyone remembers, it's amazing how these elements can add so much warmth and meaning to your speech. Right? Let's see the results once I send this over. Alrighty, as it's currently processing right here. All right. So here are the list, such as like funny childhood memory. There's the big achievement of being valedictorian. Sorry about that. Shared sibling experience, like a spontaneous road trip with a sister. Memorable friendship moments. Career milestone, like promotion to leadership role. Then personal triumph, overcoming his fear of heights, then heartwarming family moment like organizing a family talent show during Christmas, then volunteer work achievement for an animal shelter, and yeah. So, with these emotional touch points, you're building a foundation that's both personal and engaging. So, you'll be able to make everyone feel like they're part of the birthday person's story. And thus, it would create a truly memorable moment for everyone in the room. See how helpful it is? How this could be pivotal to connect with the loved ones that will be celebrated in their birthday. See, very helpful, I must say. Now let's add a little audience engagement. Birthday speeches are often most memorable when they include a touch of interaction, like asking questions or inviting participation. This gives the audience a chance to feel more involved, this making the whole experience feel more lively, that is. Now here's another one of my prompt for this segment alone. Here we go. I would say, ChatGPT, what are some fun questions or interactive elements I can include in my birthday speech for, let's say, my friend Joseph, once again, to get the audience involved and create a lively atmosphere? So, when you send a prompt like this, ChatGPT would then suggest creative ways to get people engaged. It might recommend asking for a show of hands for funny questions or even inviting someone to share a quick memory. Well, these touches keep the audience involved and give the speech a unique, memorable vibe. But we'll see on the results that ChatGPT would give us. So here we go. Alrighty, so here is how ChatGPT would suggest. One over here is a quick poll, another one is a trivia game that is about Joseph's life. And there's the Joseph Superlative Awards, like Best Dancer, Most Likely to Tell a Dad Joke, then Finish the Sentence, Memory Lane Shoutouts, Raise a Hand If, and Joseph's Dream Team. All right, so these can be really fun activities to engage with the audience on my friend Joseph's birthday during the speech segment. All right. So, with these interactive elements, you've transformed your speech into a shared experience. Really fun, huh? So, not only will this bring laughs and smiles, but it will also make the speech feel like it's part of the party atmosphere. Party atmosphere, I mean. This would create a moment that everyone can enjoy together. See? Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Finally, let's talk about adding a bit of wisdom or inspiration to your speech. Using a thoughtful quote or a piece of advice can help convey what the birthday person means to you and everyone present. So, ChatGPT can offer up some perfect quotes tailored to fit the personality and spirit of your friend or loved one. So, here's the prompt for this segment. I'll be asking ChatGPT right over here. Yep, I'm suggesting inspiration quotes about friendship or celebration that I can weave into my birthday speech for Joseph. Alrighty. So, once I'll be sending this prompt, ChatGPT would then generate for like a variety of meaningful quotes, whether it's about friendship, love, or even the joy of growing older, that is. Well, these quotes can provide a lovely finishing touch to your speech, which could add a layer of thoughtfulness and sincerity. So let's see what ChatGPT would suggest for us. All right, so as you'll see right here, as it currently generating, one here, friendship, here are the following. Okay, the process might be a bit slow. All right, it's picking up the pace right here. One friendship, another one right here for celebration, and then there's some additional quote that ChatGPT would suggest for me. All right, sweet. So, with a well chosen quote or inspirational line, your speech will resonate even more. It's a simple way to bring everyone together around the positive qualities we celebrate in the birthday person, thus leaving them with a lasting, heartfelt message. Sorry about that. Lasting, heartfelt message. See? So, thanks for joining me on this journey to crafting a memorable birthday speech using ChatGPT. Remember, it's all about finding those special moments, creating a bit of interaction, and adding an inspiring touch. See you next time, everybody.